Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out an interesting case by a company called Vena. It's the CommuteX or the vCommuteX, specifically in the color of black and space gray. It's for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And because I love you and I don't want to waste your time, I'm going to tell you straight up, don't buy this wallet, at least the first edition. But why am I still talking about this wallet even though I don't recommend it? Well, Vena is a company that I want to support. I like their innovation and I love where they're heading towards solving some major pain points that I have with a MagSafe wallet. There's a lot to love about MagSafe. It's modular and you can easily switch out accessories such as this Charge Ice Mag 2. I already reviewed this in a previous video. There's a lot to love. The form factor tends to be pretty thick, right? As you can see here. So Vena came up with the idea and say, hey, what if we combine a phone case with a built-in MagSafe wallet that is removable? I like that idea a lot. So in today's video, I'm gonna dive right in. I'm gonna give Vena some constructive feedback on this wallet, and hopefully in the next iteration, they'll make it perfect. There's a lot to love about this case. First off, this case is very robust and it will absolutely protect your case from falls. Where the case can improve will be full sealing of all buttons so that prevents sand, dust, small particles from going in. But overall, I would say protection-wise, this case is robust. However, it is heavy. It almost feels like one of those old Mophie battery case on your phone. The reason why this case is heavy is because it has a built-in MagSafe wallet. So on this wallet, it holds up to 4 flat cards or 3 embossed cards comfortably. It's not the smoothest card deployment experience. Consider this as the first iteration. I think it's okay. You might be thinking, okay, Mark, what's so special about this case? A lot of phone cases have a built-in wallet anyways and have better user experience when it comes to card deployment. So why are you talking about this? So the keyword is MagSafe, and this wallet is actually removable. So you can still have this in 2 separate places, have redundancy on your payment in case you lose one or the other. The main reason for this modularity is so that you can still use some of your MagSafe accessories. Now, this is also the major flaw and Achilles heel of this phone case. And yes, you can use MagSafe accessories, and no, not all MagSafe accessories will fit. Like 90% of my MagSafe accessories chargers will not fit or work with this wallet. And that is why I do not recommend this wallet. So let's take a closer look at this wallet here. On the back, you see that there's the MagSafe ring. So there's this soft material that will sit against the back of your phone to prevent any scratches. You can see the branding right here, and it's designed in Minnesota. As well as you will see these 3 notches right here, here, and at the bottom. These notches correspond to the case itself, so it creates a 3-point friction contact in addition to the MagSafe. This is probably the most secure MagSafe wallet that you can have compared to something like this, which can be popped off. There's just no way you can pop this off. Another advantage of the Vena case is the form factor. As you can see, it's a lot slimmer, including the wallet, compared to a regular case with a MagSafe wallet attached. The Pelican wallet sticks up just a little bit more. And last but not least, I would say is concealment. This is obvious that there is a MagSafe wallet on here. This is not as obvious. It just looks like a really thick phone case. Yes, any curious person would stick their finger in here and check it out, right? But overall, if you're just putting your phone here, it doesn't look like you have a MagSafe wallet sitting on top to be stolen. And the problem with this case is that this only really works with very specific form factor, aka the original standard MagSafe charger. Even on their instructions, it tells you that it's not compatible with standard wireless chargers. It'll only work with chargers that fit inside the wallet compartment of the case. I don't have any of that. I'm using ESR car chargers, I'm using Charge, I'm using this ESR travel charger. It's just a lot more economical and a lot easier to buy. And the form factors and design is just so much better compared to the Apple original one. So it's kind of ironic that the MagSafe feature ended up being a limitation of the MagSafe charging. Another well-intended feature that is poorly executed would be the trifold kickstand. It's not as intuitive as you think. Most trifold wallets are simple. You just kind of fold into a triangle and it will usually stay, and this will act as a kickstand. But in this case, it doesn't. It will flop over. The only way that I got it to work is if you fold it on its own will just have enough friction on the inside of the wallet to keep the kickstand standing up. Now, I would say the angle is quite limited. This is pretty straight up. If you want to push it a little bit more, you can see there are little lines here like this. It will flop over. So this kickstand will only work if your phone is horizontal and not vertical. So overall, Vena, I'll give you an 8 out of 10 for effort, but a 3 out of 10 when it comes to execution. But there's so much potential to this case, and I really look forward to the second iteration. Hopefully you can engineer this so that it will support more MagSafe accessories other than the original MagSafe charger that most of us do not have. So with that, I want to close out this video by thanking my supporters and my subscribers. We have just reached a milestone of 4,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you. It means a lot to me that you guys are supporting this channel. And if you want to be part of my supporter, it's easy. Just hit subscribe, hit like, and say something positive in the comments below. It brightens up my day and it gives me motivation to continue making videos like this. So thank you so much for your time. Take care and stay warm. We're officially in December. Peace.